Hey guys, today I'm going to talk about one of the things I'm not doing anymore to generate extra income online, and it's just going to be a quick video, guys. So, um, as of right now, I'm not going to do Live Good anymore. Why? Because just make it simple and just make it simple, guys. Live Good is actually good. It's mostly good, to be honest. It's just the thing is, people already know about Live Good, and since people know about Live Good, it will be more difficult for me and nowadays for anyone who wants to join and promote this and really really generate extra income and make it as a passive income as well. And again, since people already know about this, it's gonna be very difficult for me and again for anyone. I would dare to say, um, will be able to be successful and live good. However, though, I'm still a member. I'm still a member with them because I'm still consuming the products from Live Good. I really love the products. They're really affordable and they're really good quality as well. So I'm still in it, but I don't. Most likely, I'm not gonna promote this anymore. And the other thing too is I'm not I'm not doing Say Club anymore. The reason why because for some reason Say Club wasn't like it wasn't that suitable for me. Like, don't get me wrong, Say Club was really good when it comes to saving money, saving money and earning money as well. It's just the problem is there was really no momentum with Save Club. Even though they were getting like good discount from other countries like in Asia, for example. It's just for some reason it wasn't really a good momentum for me, I would say, and it just really wasn't moving. Like for me, like me doing it, it wasn't really moving for me. And now with Saving Having Global, I left Saving Having Global, and I left their special program called My Millionaire Master. Is because I'm not gonna lie to you guys, it was really expensive for me right now at this moment. Yeah, it's just really expensive for me, guys. Even though I was with the standard, it was I barely make by. Well, I had a hard time financially. I was financially draining myself with this. Especially right now for me working at a minimum wage job, it was really it was again really financially drained for me. So I left that, and now also that I don't think I think for me as a beginner, it won't be as suitable for me or for anyone who is a beginner. It probably most likely will be good for advanced people and anyone who is interested in blockchains. So I left that actually. I'm not gonna longer go back pursue that as well. So also yeah, and also I left. Well, I'm starting Sparky AI, but I'm not gonna promote that anymore because it's already dead. Like like no one does really don't want to know. Well, they don't want to care about Sparky AI. I promote it like once in a while, but you know like it's not big. It's not big as I thought it was. It was awesome, but it wasn't that big. So yeah, that's the thing I'm not gonna do anymore. What I'm gonna do right now is I'm doing two businesses. One of them was launched in November 30th, 2025. It's like more than a month years old. There's another one that's been it's been in this for 5 years, and they just relaunched it. They relaunched their company, and I'm gonna leave two of the links in my video description, guys. If you guys can go ahead and check it out and see if it's gonna be right for you or not. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do, guys. I'm just gonna focus on these two businesses and just go at it. And yeah, it is what it is, guys. You learn and you learn something from your mistakes. So that was my mistake. I was probably doing too much. It was probably wasn't beneficial for me, and it was something that it was not on my level. So I'm still learning, guys. I'm still trying to understand about this. I'm still a beginner. So yeah, that's all I gotta say, guys. So hope you guys liked this video. If you did, press the like button, leave a comment, and from there, that's all I gotta say. So I'm about to head out now. Hope you guys are doing well. Talk to you guys soon. Take care. Bye.